Right, 3, 2, 1. Hello and welcome back to Feel Good Gardens. In the next couple of months we'll be focusing on expectations. So for outside in the plant area, it's about planting now and enjoying later. For the shop side of things, it's about preparing now and then reaping the benefits later as well. There's that famous quote that if you fail to prepare, then prepare to fail. So what have we got here for the shop for you? Miracle Grow continuous plant feed. This will literally be for everywhere. Your borders, your pots, your tubs, your containers, but also your hanging baskets. Which leads me on to the next Be Prepared product, which is the Aquagel. So, Aquagel water storing crystals swells up to 100 times its own weight when water is added, which means you spend less time watering your flowers. Expectations with our plants. It shouldn't just be about reacting to something when we see it. It should be about preventing it before it happens. Doff Universal Bug Killer doesn't need to be put on just because you see a bug. You put it on well before to stop the bugs from even coming.